Today's topic is difficulty good for you or bad for you? So there's a fascinating idea brought down here in the Avot of Rabbi Natan Habavli. If you look in chapter 3, Mishnah Vav, it says if you learn Torah when it's easy, that's fine. Al tashev lach, but don't give up b'shat hadechak, to learn Torah even under difficult circumstances. Why? Lefi shetov lo le'adam davar echad besar mimea berevach. It's better for you. One mitzvah, one studying of Torah, when done under pressure and under difficulty, better than 100 done when it's just peaceful and easy. Like they say, no pain, no gain. So this is a fascinating idea that God rewards us according to how much effort we put in a mitzvah or to study the Torah. So the conventional theory that we want to think is that I should always want life to be easy. The easier my life is, the better. No, that's not necessarily true. When you do a mitzvah, when you study Torah, even if you have 100 reasons not to, and you make time and you study Torah, you get 100 times more reward, and it's 100 times more beneficial. And we learn this from the tribe of Naphtali, because it says there's a fascinating midrash in Shir HaShirim that says that Ha'elef lecha shalamo, the tribe of Naphtali, which were very swift, they didn't have any Torah scholars. They always used to have to go to the tribe of Levi, the tribe of Yisachar, to learn Torah from them. That's why it says in the prophet, Naphtali sarim elef. Naphtali had 1,000 princes, but Yisachar, which were established, they had established yeshivas, it says that they only had 200 princes. So this idea is teaching us that 500 times more reward got who? The tribe of Naphtali. And this is why, especially us living here in Los Angeles, it's very hard to travel to the East Coast or to Israel to yeshivas, but we should know that the more effort and difficulty you put in a mitzvah, your reward will be hundreds of times more. So may Hashem help us never to give up and actually try our best under all circumstances. Amen.